Hello everyone, my name is Hana Sharma and I am back with a new topic, for loop. So today we are going to do for loop. So let's get started. So first we are giving the heading for loop. Okay, sorry, heading. Okay, and run. Yes. Now first we are going to make the for loop works with the lists, tuples and strings. So we will try with all three. So for loop with list list. Okay, let's give this as a heading. So let's make a variable o and store values like a list. Like this is a list, apple, comma, banana, and comma, cherry. Okay, now let's use the for loop. For x in o, print x. So if we want the apple, banana, and cherry to be in different lines, like apple first, then banana, then cherry, like this. So, apple first we have got, then banana, and then cherry. So, how did this code, this loop worked? So, this was a list. So, for x, x is a variable in O. X means the x variable goes in the variable O and then checks the positions, the indexing of these words or these characters. Apple is at 0 position, banana is at 1, and cherry is at 2. So first the x will take the 0 position and then print it. Print x will came into the loop and then it will print x. Then again the loop will run and then it will see that on the number 1 it is banana. It will print banana and then again the loop will works. Then it will see that on the second place it is cherry. So it will print cherry. Okay. Now for loop with tuple. Okay, that's the same as the list. So maybe this. Okay, so maybe a variable named k and then we have stored values. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, we have stored numbers. Okay, so now we are using the for loop for x or maybe a variable named o in this is the same z in k variable k print print z. Okay, so we have got numbers from 1 to 9 like in different lines like 1 then 2 then 3 till 9. So this loop worked as same as the list. Like first there was a tuple from 1 to 9, we have stored numbers in it. Then the variable z get into the variable k and then saw the positioning, the indexing of the numbers. So 1 is at 0 place, then it printed 1, and then this worked again and again till 9. Okay, now for loop with strings. Okay, so let's give this as a heading. Okay, now maybe a variable, no, not a variable, for w in banana colon print w. And we execute this, we have got banana in different letters, the bananas letters in different lines like B, A, N, A, N, A. Okay, so how did this work? First, there was a variable W and the string was in banana. The variable W saw the bananas indexing like B was at 0 and then A was at 1, then N at 2, A at 3, N at 4, and A at 5. So it printed, here it's written print W, it printed the banana in different lines, its letters in different lines. There is also a range system in the for loop, range in for loop. Okay, so let's give this also as a heading. So first we will write for W or maybe U in range 25, and then we're gonna print U execute. We've got, okay, we have got numbers from 0 to 24 and we have given the range 25. So why did it print 20 till 24? Because this always work at n minus 1. N minus 1. N, the number is 25. So 25 minus 1 is 24, so it printed till 24. And if you want 25, you have to write 20 plus 1 and then enter. It will be 25. Okay, or you can write 26. So this loop worked because this was the variable u, and then in range it saw that it was 25. So it will be started from 0, the indexing is started, then it is ended till 24, and then it's a plus 1. So plus 1, 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So this was printed 0 to 25 over here. We have learned about the for loop today with list, tuple, strings, and range in for loop. Thank you. Let me get new topics for you.